Alright, so this is the last hive that I've just kind of peeked into. None of them have internal feeders except for the two that I've already done the videos from the point of view on. What did I just see drop? I heard something fall. So what I want to do now, these two have internal feeders. So I've already poured 8 of these. Let's try this. I don't know how much. Like I said in an earlier video, I only brought enough today to treat 6 hives. Gotta be real careful with these. These really don't need to be left out in the yard all year long because they get brittle, and when you try to open them up, you'll break them. Yeah, I'm actually going to use the funnel. These jars are the plastic ones that I got from Man Lake. I bought a bunch of them. This size, they hold quite a bit. All right, put this down here. So I'm putting like four, that way I know